Welcome to you all. In this video, I am going to share how you people can create Discord account and get into the best group for IIT BSc. From Play Store, you can install the app. I have already installed it. So now moving further, here it is asking you two options. If you people have an account, you can log in, and those who haven't used it before can register and create an account. Here you can get your phone number and email ID. Now it will send you an confirmation code. Now here you can fill your username, your password, now here you fill your date of birth, and click on create an account. Click on get started. Enter your name. If you wanna add your friends, you can. If you don't, you can skip it. Now here you have entered the Discord. Now go to that link which is being provided to you on your Telegram or on your WhatsApp. Here is your Discord link. Click on this link and choose the Discord app. Now here it is asking for the accept invitation. So here you have entered the IIT BSc group. As soon as you entered into the group, you will see that this is not only the group, this is the total environment of a classroom. Here we are having batch 3 students, batch 2 students and batch 1 students also. For batch 3 students who are going to give their qualifier this October, 10th of October, we are having this general rules for all, which you need to read it carefully, as this group is totally spam free and no advertisement and no links regarding any inappropriate thing will be there. There will be the announcement section in which every important announcement regarding your BSc program will be posted. For semester 1, like for batch 3 students, we are having maths 1, and each section of course is having its personal section of notes section. For maths 1, you are having your maths notes section. English 1, you are having your English notes section. For statistics also, you are having your statistics notes section. CT, computational thinking and computational thinking notes section. Everyone can post their notes and can get various type of notes, whichever you feel like you can use them. Here in this, qualifier papers are uploaded which were previously held. In this section, you can give your feedback to the owner and admin, whatever you find appropriate, inappropriate, or any suggestion which you want to give for the group. Here is a classroom scenario, front benchers, discussion regarding front benchers people. Here is the general help section, which you want to ask, you can ask it on this section. Homework help regarding any assignment, you can ask in this section. Off topic, apart from studies, you can discuss anything chilling in this section. Seniors reply to queries. Those people are junior and they want to interact with their seniors and ask some queries, can ask in this section. Here, seniors will reply to their queries and experience. Session planning, backbenchers. This is the classroom scenario, so the people who are considered to be the backbenchers can also interact in this. Now here, semester 2, batch 2 students who are in term 2 are in this section. For them also announcement section is created, and every course section is also having their note section, like for English 2, Maths 2, Python and Statistics. Each is having their individual course section plus their note section. And here also seniors will reply to their queries. And this is the third semester, which is the batch 1, is also having their announcement section and the note section for every course which they are pursuing. DBMS or machine learning application and modern application. So this is the best group we can have for our BSc programming, and here we all can come together and discuss every query and every topic which you want to discuss with everyone. Thank you. Thank you for listening and joining us.